Good afternoon, everyone. Wanted to make a video to show you how you can install Terrarium TV, which is an excellent backup to Kodi. Uh, as you all know, there's been a lot of changes in Kodi. I've had to update the build quite a few times to try to keep up. And I found that this particular program, which is separate from Kodi, can serve as a very nice backup for TV and movie watching. It's pretty much the only two things it does, but I mean that's what 95% of us do with our devices. Now, this is going to be the process on an Amazon device. On a Android device, it'll be just a little bit different. You still would need to grab the same files. I'll probably make a separate video for that, but since the majority of the folks that I have purchased Amazon devices, I'll show you really quickly how to do it on on a Fire Stick. So the first thing you want to do is come all the way to the top left where the search is, and we're going to download 3 programs. First one we've downloaded in the past. It's called FireDL. This program actually might work on the Android. I'll have to try it. I mean, obviously you're welcome to try it as well. It's just basically the method of getting these applications. So anyway, you highlight FireDL and it's right there. Click under Apps and Games, click Enter, and big yellow button there, it says download. You own it. Since I've downloaded it before, it'll say that. If it doesn't say that for you, it'll say something like just install new, something along those lines. The bottom line is you're going to install FireDL. All right, so then it'll turn to open. Just click open. And the cursor, once the FireDL application opens up, is going to be way at the top where it says file URL. Click enter. And as always, when I click enter, I mean click the round button in the middle. And the first application that we're going to download is MXPlayer. And the code for MXPlayer is 30004. When you enter the last digit, you'll see that the top turns into a URL. Come all the way to the bottom right, click next, and it'll start to download. This is a fairly small file, so it's not going to take very long to download. And what this is the player that Terrarium is going to use in order to play the TV shows and the movies. This is a commercial. All you got to do is hit the back button, and that'll bring you to this screen. And at the very bottom right, you can see the install button. Click install, and the MXPlayer will start to install. This probably takes about a minute. So we'll just go ahead and let the video continue to record live so that you can all see that it doesn't take a very long time to download and install. Once it's done installing, come to the bottom right where it says open. Click open. You could have hit the launch, but that's okay. It'll give you some notes as to what's new. Just come over to where it says OK, click OK, and you're done. Now you want to hit the back key on your remote. The FireDL will say that it's been installed. You want to remove the APK, and you should say yes. That way you don't have clutter on your stick, and then click OK again. And now the cursor is back at the top again. So now what we want to do is we want to download Terrarium. So click enter. The code for Terrarium is 68002. And again, come all the way to the bottom right, click next, and now Terrarium will start to download. And this one is really, really fast. So again, you get a commercial, click the back key, and here's the main install screen. Come all the way down to the bottom right, click the install button, and then we'll just wait until Terrarium now installs. And so that you know, I do plan on just installing this on all new sticks that I sell. So if you purchase any more devices from me, this will already come pre-installed. But for my existing customers, I wanted you all to have an opportunity to install this, and as you can see, it's very simple to do. Once it's installed, it gives us the ready to launch. You can either click the hamburger key, or you can just click down to the bottom right where it says open, click open, and Terrarium will now open up. Now, the version that is on FireDL is not the latest one, so it will prompt you to install the new version as it is right now. So you just click over to update, click enter, and now the 1.6.6 version will download, and any updates in the future, you'll get a similar prompt, and you do the exact same thing. So come to the bottom right. We didn't get a commercial that time, so that's good. Hit install, and now it is installing the 1.6.6 update, and you should be good until the next time that they update it. And again, it'll just prompt you, and you do exactly what we just did right now. It's very straightforward, very simple to do. Once it's completed, come to the bottom right. You can click it open. You'll get the change log. So once you get the change log, just click OK. And then you get a disclaimer. Make sure you click accept. And you're ready to go. Here's the TV show section, which is where it opens up. And I'm going to make a separate video and do a quick little walkthrough on how Terrarium actually works, but this is just for the install. And I hope that y'all enjoy it. Thank you.